Fantastic. So Moses listened to the Lord, and Moses obeyed the instruction, and water came out. Look at the instruction. God said, and the Lord said unto Moses, go on before the people, and take with thee of the elders of Israel, and the rod, then without smoted the river, that is the Nile, take in thy hand, and go. Behold, I will stand before thee there upon the rock in Horeb, and thou shalt smite the rock. You have to note what the Lord is saying when you are having dreams or revelation. Don't forget it, because it is important to do what God has told you to do. And, thou shalt smite the rock, and there shall come water out of it, that the people may drink. That is the instruction. And Moses did so in the sight of all elders. So Moses obeyed, because Moses listened and Moses understood. Somebody shout hallelujah. Hallelujah. Today is the same way. You may have a different way God is talking to you, maybe by dreams, maybe by revelation, maybe by a preacher preaching like I'm preaching now. There are things that I will be saying, and you are saying, okay, I got the answer now. So God is talking to us in different ways, but what is important is for you to listen and have understanding. And Moses did so, and Moses had understanding. Now that Moses has learned how to listen to God and has learned how to do exactly what God asked him to do, then everybody was happy. But the children of Israel also became angry again because there was no water. That was many years after here. Many more years. In fact, it took nearly 38 years. And there was no water, and they were very close to the border of the promised land. They were very close to the border of the promised land, and they were crying again and saying, there's no water here. There's no water here. So why did you bring us out of this place where there's no water? Look at all our cattle are dying. Is it not better that we stay in Egypt? Why did you bring us out? They were quarreling again, and Moses went back to God, and Moses was so angry because of their quarrel. The lesson we learned here is that do not make your pastor angry. Do not make your pastor angry. And do not make your leaders angry. Because they made Moses to be angry, and then he went to God with that anger. Say, God, these people you gave to me are always attacking me. They are even thinking about stoning me because of no water. And let's see what God told Moses to do again. God told Moses to do something again. Okay? And we have to be careful to follow what God has said. In Numbers 20, from 7 to 15, that's where we're going to study what God told Moses to do. And let's go to Numbers 20. Numbers 20.
Number 7.
Yes.
Chapter 20, from verse 7. I read. The Lord spake to Moses, saying, Take his staff and assemble the congregation, you and Aaron your brother, and tell the rod before they have set their eyes to eat its water. So you shall bring water out of the rod for them, and eat grain to the congregation and their cattle. Verse 9. And Moses took his staff before the Lord, as he commanded me. Verse 10. Then Moses and Aaron gathered the assembly together before the rock, and he said to them, Hear now, you rebels, shall we bring water for you out of this rock? And Moses lifted up his hand and struck the rock with his staff once. Water came out abundantly, and the congregation drank, and their livestock was good. And the Lord said to Moses and Aaron, Because you did not believe in me, to uphold me as good in the eyes of the people of Israel, therefore you shall not bring this assembly into the land that I have given them. These are the waters of Meribah, where the people of Israel quarreled with the Lord, and to them he showed himself holy. 14. Moses sent messengers from Kadesh to the king of Edom. Thus say your brother Israel, you know all the hardship that we have met, how our fathers went down to Egypt, and we lived in Egypt for a long time. And the Egyptians dealt harshly with us and our fathers. And when we cried to the Lord, he heard our voice and sent an angel to bring us out of Egypt. And here we are in Kadesh, a city on the edge of their territory. 17. Please let us
stop there. Thank you. 13 is all right. Thank you. And now we're going to study the lessons here. This is where the lesson is. I'm giving you the background, how Moses obeyed, and everything was okay. There was water. There was no problem. But God wants the crowd, the people of Israel, not to quarrel next time. Now here again, look at it in 7. It says, and the Lord spake unto Moses again when they were asking for water. So this time, if you watch very closely, the instruction is a little different. The instruction is a little different. The first instruction was strike the rock with your staff. Strike the rock with your rod. But if you look at here now, it says on verse 8, it says, take the rod and gather down the assembly together. Thou and Aaron thy brother, and speak ye unto the rock before their eyes, and it shall give forth his water. Now I'm going to explain that before I continue. The former instruction was strike the rock, it will give you the water. The second instruction is not strike, is speak. But because Moses had been angered by the murmuring congregation, he did not understand to do the instruction. And that is very costly in the spirit. Very, very costly not to follow the direction God wants you to follow. Now, Moses, because he had done it before, he thought it is tempting, so he took his staff and he hit on the rock twice. Now somebody will ask and say, why did the water come out? Why did the water come out? You know that if you are acting in error, sometimes, like some pastors, if they are anointed, even when they are making mistakes, the anointing will continue. God will not force everything immediately. He will not stop everything immediately. Even though Moses had not obeyed, the water still came out. The water still came out for Israel. But was God happy? No, he was not happy. This is one characteristic of God which to be careful. There are people who do errors, yet because the favor is still there, it looks as if they are right, but what they have done is wrong. What Moses did here is wrong, but yet water still came out. Water still came out because God loved the people. He still gave them water. He was not happy that he had been disobeyed in the presence of the whole people of Israel. So look at what he did. Look at what he did. Now in 12, God spoke expressly about that in Numbers 20, verse 12. He said, and the Lord spake unto Moses and Aaron. Look at what God is saying now. Because ye believe me not, to sanctify me in the eyes of the children of Israel, therefore you shall not bring this congregation into the land which I have given them. See what God did? God said, you will not bring them to the promised land because you disobeyed. Wow, that is how everybody knew that Moses was not the one who brought them to the promised land. This is the reason. Now, it is important to listen to the Lord and to understand and then obey. Somebody shout hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
Now look at what happened next. Then it says, and Moses and Aaron gathered the congregation to bed together and before the rock, and he said unto them, hear now, ye rebels. You see, he was angry. He was telling the congregation, you rebels. Hear now, ye rebels. Must we fetch you water out of this rock? And Moses lifted up his hand, not his voice. He would have lifted up his voice, but he lifted up his hand, and with his rod, he smote the rock twice. He had no idea that rock was Jesus. 1 Corinthians 10:4 says what? 1 Corinthians 10:4 told us who the rock is. And that rock was Jesus. Hallelujah. So that rock they were flogging was Jesus. That means that Jesus was crucified, and Jesus is supposed to be crucified only how many times? Once. They crucified him how many times?
2 times.
Is it 2 times? Yes, they crucified him 2 times. In fact, he flogged him once and flogged him